In this video, I would like to explain how to expand brackets. So the first thing we need to know is 3x plus 2 means 3 times x plus 2. So to expand this bracket, we multiply here and we multiply there. So 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6. We did it. How easy. Now let's look at the next one down here. 3 brackets 5x minus 2. So it means 3 times brackets 5x minus 2. So we'll do this, multiply here and multiply there. So what's 3 times 5x? Now this is another problem. Many students don't know how to do that. So 3 times 5x. So in such case, you will do 3 times 5 and then just bring down the x. So 3 times 5 is 15. So it's 15 and then just write the x. Because the sign is minus, so I'll just do minus. 3 times 2 is 6. We finished with this question. Now let's look at the next one. 3 and then there is minus x plus 2k. It looks scary, but it's not. We will do the same thing. 3 times negative x and 3 times 2k. So for 3 times minus x, it's positive times negative, so it's negative. So it's going to be negative 3x, and then 3 times 2k, just like we did 3 times 5x. 3 times 2 is 6, and then just bring the k. So it's going to be plus 6k. How easy. Next one. 3 brackets negative x minus 2x. Let's just make this x squared here. Now for this question, I'll do the same thing. Multiply here, multiply there. Alright, so 3 times negative x is negative 3x. There is a negative sign in the middle, so it's minus. 3 times 2x squared. It's going to be 3 times 2, which is 6. So it's 6x squared. Next question. 3x times x plus 2. I'll multiply here. I'll multiply here. I don't get scared at the question. No, I'll just do it. So that's also what you should do. Now, negative 3x times x. Negative times positive is negative, so I'll first do the negative here. 3x times x is 3. Oh, just a second, let me fix this 3. So it's 3x squared, and then plus negative 3x times 2 is just going to be minus 6x. How easy. Did you get it? Now, these questions on the right side, I printed them all from Core Bit Math. It's a very nice math feed website. You can go there and do more practice if you want. Now, to do this one here, 3 times 10 is 30. And then 3 times negative 3y is going to be minus 9y, because 3 times 3 is 9. Next one, now we are quicker. Have you noticed? That means we understand it better. Now we multiply here, we multiply there. 2 times 3w is 6w, minus 2 times 5y is 10y. We just do 2 times 5. Now this one is a nice one. 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. Minus 3x times 2 is 6x. So it's 6x here. It's a nice question. Now look at this one. It looks very scary. It's not. It's easy. We will do it together. Now 9e times 2f. Just multiply the numbers. 9 times 2, 18. E times F is EF. How easy. Minus 9E times 3. Multiply the numbers. 9 times 3 is 27. And just bring the E. That's it. Expanding brackets. Now look at this next question here. We just move this up a little bit. Now, for this question, it's expanding brackets and then collecting like terms together. So I'll just do the expanding brackets part. So for this first bracket here, I'll do 3x times x and then 3 times 5. So let's do that. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 5 is 15. This is done. This bracket here is done. Now let's just do plus 2 times x, 2x, plus 2 times 1 is 2. Now collect like terms. Let's do it since we already did the question. Now 3x and 2x just looks like 3 bananas plus 2 bananas, so it's 5 bananas. So it's similar. 5x plus 15 plus 2 is 17. That's it for this question. Was it easy? Now I'll do one of these two questions and you do the next. Alright, these are also from corporate math. Alright, now look at this. 4x squared brackets 2x minus 5. I'll first multiply here and then multiply there. And the most important thing, I don't get scared. The question doesn't scare me. Now 4x squared times 2x. What's 4 times 2? It's 8. What's x squared times x? It's x to the power of 3 because there is 2 here and there is 1 on the x, right? Minus, I'll just bring this sign here. Now, alright, let me just erase this. This is a very nice erase, I like it. Now, 4x squared times 5. I'll just do 4 times 5, which is 20. And then just to write the x squared here. How easy is math? Doesn't scare me, so it shouldn't scare you also. Now, alright, this one here, I'll do it, and then you do this one and comment your answer, please. Now, to do this question here, a times 3a, I'll just do a times 3a. Oh, this is easy. So there is 1 here in front of the a, so 1 times 3 is 3, and then a times a is a squared. We finish with this, plus a times 2ac. So I'll first multiply the numbers. 1 times 2 is 2, so it's 2. A times a is a squared, and then just bring down the c. So it's just that, 3a squared plus 2a squared c. And we finished. If you fully understand this, this is mostly everything when expanding single brackets, nothing more than this. I'll do another video on expanding double brackets. How was it? Was it easy? Thank you for following. Bye bye.